azozibulala amasisuka and akuphele kumadoda ukuthi nizibulala, especially abantu abasha. If you're getting such opportunities like this, kufanele niwathathe niwasebenzise lawo mathuba to change your life. And especially industry yakwa-car wash, it's more dominated with abantu besilisa. We need to change that here from now. Even abantu besifazane nabo, they must be part of it. If abantu besifazane fanele befaka ama-gloves, bewashe imoto, or nabo bebe nama-car wash abo, beze kosisi, beze kobhuti, nani sinibone njengabantu abasha, bese Mr. Government was here, beze bezo-invest, sihambe thina nabo sisi-Mavis, siyonifunela ama-funders nama-sponsors ukuze sishintshe impilo yethu, kungabi nomuntu ozoba depressed, kungabi nomuntu ozothi silinde umasipala, ozothi silinde uhulumeni. Unfortunately uhulumeni siyamlinda agcine engafiki. Ubhuti wami he mentioned something ukuthi if there was a TV here, kusho ngabe bagcwele.